Hello! Today I want to share with you a few quick tips about lockbox safety. Most commonly, when listings come on the market, we see lockboxes placed on the front door of the home to allow entry for agents and potential buyers. However, that's not always the best idea in terms of safety for your clients and their home. If you must place the lockbox on the front door of the home, it is best if it is secured to the type of door handle that is not easily removed, unscrewed, or pried off. It is always a good idea to place the lockbox out of direct sight from the public without inconveniencing those who need to access your listing. A railing can also be a good location to use. Remember to be courteous to agents who will be showing your listing by adding the location of your lockbox when entering your listing on the MLS. Of course, if you have any questions regarding this video or your key and lock boxes, feel free to contact our Member Services Department at 925-730-4060. Thanks for watching!